to go through first. All right. Now, when it comes to counting of figures, I told you there are three kinds of questions that is asked. The first kind of question is where you have a triangle and then you have from a vertex there are lines and then they're forming triangles. एक triangle में ही आपको vertex, this is called vertex, right? तो यहाँ से हम लोग लाइन खींच के हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, we are putting the lines and joining it on the base, which forms again another triangle, smaller triangles, right? So this is the first kind of triangle that we were studying. Second kind is inscribed in a square or rectangle. So it's mostly inscribed in a square. ठीक है, तो ये एक स्क्वायर है, ठीक है. यदि हम इसको diagonally, if we join them diagonally, we get triangles like this over here, over here, over here, over here, right? Again, this form triangles like this also, right? Isn't it? So this is second kind of triangle that we have, and the third one would be that we have a triangle like this. Triangles inscribed inside another triangle. Okay, so we'll be learning, accordingly about all these things. First thing first. First kind of question that we are talking about. In this case, if I ask you what is the number of triangles in this figure, can you tell me
10.
number of triangles?
10.
10.
10.
10, sir.
10 triangles.
10.
10. Okay.
10, sir.
Anyone else? All right. What is the process? Who said 10?
1 plus 2.
4 plus 3 plus
1
2
plus 2 plus
1.
3 plus 4.
That's very good. That's very good. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 will give us 10 triangles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
जिन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया ध्यान दीजिएगा. जैसे एक ट्रायंगल बना हुआ है. The line is drawn from the vertex. What do? We just add it up. Okay. नीचे बेस वाले में बस ऐड करते जाना. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Whatever you get is the answer. Okay. Clear? Okay. Find the number of triangles in this now.
45.
45.
45.
Kavya, tell me, how did you get 45?
In
Kavya,
yes, sir.
how did you get 45?
First of all, I'll added the number of edges.
Okay, like
Number
this
of
you're saying?
triangle. Yes,
How much you're getting out here?
15, and
Okay.
then multiply with them. Total number
Multiply
of
with what? Yes, we'll have to see that over here, there's one more line over here.
15, sir.
multiply
over
by
here-
horizontal line.
Yes. This is other first one, then this is the second one, and this is
And
the
this is the third one.
third one. Okay, so 15 into 3 equals
45.
That's very good. That's very good. Okay, looking now, these are of course the basic figures that we have, but as soon as we progress further, we will have more complicated figures. But if you look closely, these complicated figures are made of basic figures, right? So we'll come to that as well. How many triangles are there in this figure?
8.
8.
8.
Sir, 8.
8. How is that?
Number of triangles into 2.
Number of
Largest number of triangle into
1, 2, 3, 4 we count, and the highest number that we get into 2. So 4 into 2. 2 is a
Yeah, sir.
constant out. 2 is a constant. Yes. Similarly,
Yes,
if
sir.
I have it like this, if I have it like this, now tell me how many triangles are there in this?
16.
16.
16 triangles are there.
4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 into 2. So 16. Very good. There are 68 participants, including me. I have logged in through 2 devices. So that's 2 of me. One is Veena ma'am, 3 of them. Other than that, that means there are 65 students in all right now. I hope that the number remains intact at the end of the class. Okay. All right. Now let's make it little interesting. बताओ इसमें triangles कितने?
Sixteen.
Okay.
16.
17.
15.
15.
15.
15, sir.
15, sir.
15, sir.
15, sir.
All right. That means I'm getting very well answer. I'm getting very well. So somebody said 19 also. Okay. Let me just note it down. Okay. So since I'm getting very well answers, just let me try to solve it out for you guys. Okay. Now let's say over here 1 plus 2. So 3 triangles from this over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 2. You get 12 triangles from this. 15 तो बन गया. लेकिन once we have joined these figures, are there new triangles being formed?
Yes, sir.
If we are
Yes,
joining
sir.
these figures, are there new triangles being formed? Yes, that means 15 is incorrect. Isn't it? What are the new
Yeah.
triangles that are being formed out here?
2.
1, and similarly you have over here also, no? This, this. Okay, 16 is also incorrect now. 17 looks and 19, they remain a viable option now, right? Now tell me, other than this, can we identify any more new triangles being formed? Those who said, the person who said 19, let's hear you say it. Where do you find a new triangle being formed out here? No, that means 19 is also incorrect. 17 is the correct answer because other than this, no new triangles are being formed. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please screenshot लेते रहिए. Please take the screenshot of this. You can search on the internet. You will get plenty of questions from there as well. You can try to because they are like innumerable questions that you can have from this topic. Okay, so you can go ahead and search on look on internet and try to accordingly find out the questions from there. Cool. All right, let's go to this. How many triangles are there?
34.
34.
34.
Okay, I got 34.
34.
34.
What else? 34. So Kriti, tell me how you are getting it 34.
Sir, 36.
36.
Sir, 36.
Yes, sir.
So Kriti,
36.
okay, 36 is noted down. So
36,
Kriti, please tell
sir.
me how did you get 34?
Getting this question.
Okay, you're not speaking. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यहाँ से भी 6 into 2. टोटल कितने हो गए अब तक से हमारे? 12 और 12. ठीक है. यहाँ से कितना आ गया? 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. यहाँ से 3, यहाँ से 3. हो गए 3 और 3. ठीक है. अब और क्या हो गया है यहाँ पे? हमारा यहाँ भी एक ट्रायंगल बन रहा है. ये वाला ट्रायंगल जो था, जो हमने लास्ट टाइम बनाया था. यहाँ भी एक बन रहा है, यहाँ भी एक बन रहा है ना? यहाँ भी एक बन रहा है और यहाँ भी एक बन रहा है. टोटल मिला के 4 बन रहा है. 24, 24, 24 plus 3, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 4, 34. But in the process, what we forgot was that there are other triangles being also triangles. There are bigger triangles being formed out here. This one. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Similarly, over here also we are getting
Yes, sir.
another triangle. तो 2 triangles तो और बन गए हमारे. Can anyone find any other new triangles that are being formed? No?
sir.
So 36 our final answer. 34 incorrect, 36 correct. जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है. जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है. ठीक है? Don't rush into the question. All right? All right. Now take a screenshot while I move on to next one. Take a screenshot. All right. Nidish Gupta, please mute yourself. Thank you. Hey.
Students, make a habit and you unmute yourself, mute yourself. हाँ मम्मी सही
Sir, 20.
बस बस सही तू काय कर रहा
Okay, find the number of triangles in this now.
अरे नीचे पे पड़ा
थोड़ा सा मैं और डिफाइन कर देता हूँ इसको, since I have not made it
बास्केट को तो नहीं पड़ा है दूसरा बास्केट
very accurate.
अभी वो टेस्ट करो दे
एक स्क्वायर है, right?
सुबह तो जिम्मेओ तो मैंने एक बात में मोह पे पूछ ली ऐसे हम दाल चली तो
46.
44.
50.
50. 50. 46.
46. 46.
58.
Sir, 50.
Okay, let's try to solve it now. Look at the first one. 1 plus 2
इंडिया ना थोड़ा पिक्चर
plus 3 plus 4. कितने हो गए यहाँ पे? Similarly, you will have 10 triangles from this as well.
और टेस्ट
डाला
One.
चाली
Veena ma'am,
Yes, sir.
please mute yourself. I think voices are coming through your mic. Thank you. Plus 3 and plus 4. 10. Similarly, you get 10 from this as well, 10 from this as well, 10 from this as well. कितने हो गए?
50.
यहाँ से 10 मिल गया, 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 यहाँ से 50 तो ऐसे ही हो गया. So 44 is out of the question now. 44 is not the correct answer. Now coming to 50, that is also not possible. Why? Why? Because I had told you that if two figures meet, they will form new triangles. They might, of course, not all the time, but over here they do form over here, right? Can you see this? Let me just change this color over here. Okay. Can you see this? New triangles being formed out here. So 50 भी तो नहीं होगा. 50 is also not the correct answer. 46, of course, incorrect. Okay. Now let's look at this. One triangle, two triangle. Then again, from taking the base out here, again, then 3 triangle, then 4 triangles. Any more triangles being formed? Yes. Which triangles are being formed? I'll tell you. Now remember, when we had counted these figures, this one, we had not accounted for what? We had counted this separately, this separately, this separately, this separately, but we had not joined them. Remember? Now this is a big square, a big box as well, right? This is a big box as well. But we have already counted these triangles. If you, these triangles have already been counted, right? So which are the triangles that remain? The triangles
Four.
that remain are this. Okay, I'll just draw it separately.
So,
This triangle 1, then 2,
uh,
3, yes,
so can you please explain again? Actually, there was network connection.
4. Okay. Over here, what I said was, that we have already accounted for these figures. These triangles have already been taken into account, right? Because when you are counting this, like this, so in this process we also counted this. This got counted already, right?
Yes.
So which means we cannot count this now. We cannot count this, right? Remember, if in the process, if you're counting something like the triangles, and you use the formula 1, 2, 3, 4, and into 2, you count this also, right? You count this also, right? But we have already counted this, so we cannot take this method again. We can only look out for the remaining triangles in the figure. So the remaining triangles in this figure are like this. Got it? As I said,
Yes, sir. Four
1,
triangles.
2, then upper base, 3, then 4. So 50 triangles you got from the plainly, 4 extra you got by from this, and 4 extra you got from this. So yeah, 58. Take a screenshot if you'd like.
Sir, can you
So,
say why you
why
didn't
can't-
use the square formula?
same.
Why
Huh.
can't
So
you
why
use the
can't we
square
use
formula?
16 into 2?
Yeah, 32, and here we get 40 completely.
Why can't you use?
The square formula. You counted the square as 4 triangles, right? Why can't it taken as a whole square and divided into 16 parts into 232?
Now, square formula works if we have the numbers, the lines from one end to other end. But in this, do we have one line from the other end? This forms over here. If you're looking at this triangle, okay. Okay, let me see. Okay. It won't work in this because of these lines. Yes, because of these lines. When over here, if you look at the square, okay, as soon as you get lines like this, lines like this, they won't work. Okay, they won't work. Now this is how it is, because like these are again a trick. This is not a concept that we have brought. Okay, so this does not work as soon as we have extra lines coming from the over here. Other than this, okay, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, you have like this, तब तक ठीक है, till then it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But if you have any more than this, they might not work. Okay, and clearly in this thing we see that these triangles are formed more of the basis that the first kind of triangle that we learned, it's more based on that kind of triangle. Okay, because if we start counting like this, then we are not able to count the triangles formed like this. These triangles will not be counted, right? क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो हम लोग ये गिन पा रहे हैं, लेकिन as soon as we increase the line, we are not able to count this triangle. Okay, इसलिए हम लोग we cannot use that square formula. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's look at the third type of triangle. This is the first type. This is the second type. Now let's look at the third type of triangle. कितने triangles हैं?
5.
5, sir.
5, sir.
अब कितने triangles हैं?
13.
20.
13.
13, sir.
13.
Okay. Now, just give me a moment. Okay. इसमें एक फॉर्मूला है, बताता हूं मैं आपको. और मैं आपको कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स में से दे रहा हूं. ठीक है, तो कॉम्प्लिकेट जैसे ये बहुत ही इजी, दिस आर वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस. ओके, these are very easy questions.
Sir, what was the actual number of triangles?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको फॉर्मूला बताता हूं. फॉर्मूला क्या है? तो we'll have to consider the lines. What lines? The horizontal lines. How many lines are there over here?
2.
2. How many horizontal lines over here? 1, 2.
3.
3.
Okay. Now, based on these lines, n equals number of horizontal lines. Now, looking at the formula, we have 1 by 8 and n plus 2, 2n plus 1, when n is even. When n is odd, same formula, same formula. Everyone noted it down now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, looking back at this, go back to this now and tell me how many, there are 2 lines, right? So if you write the formula, 1 by 8 and n plus 1, 2n plus 1, right? Same formula. Now tell me, what is the value of n out here?
2.
2 into 3 into 5, right? How much do you get?
5 answers.
5, sir.
30 by 8. Doesn't look right. Then.
Sir, you told n plus 2, n into n
But
plus
it's
2.
n plus 2.
So it was n
Sorry,
plus
n
2.
plus 2. Okay, n plus 2. I'm so sorry. So this gives us. That is why I was figuring out why does not it work. Okay, n plus 2. So it becomes 4, right? So totally different out here now. The totally different result. Okay, you get directly 5. How? 2 to the 4 to the 8. It will be cancelled out. Remaining is 5. So directly you get 5. Okay. But over here the things are different. What happens? Same formula again, but minus 1, and the variable of course is 3 now, right? So 3 into 5 into
7.
7, then minus 1.
Minus 1.
Just multiply it out. 105 minus 1 is 104.
4.
Okay. Now I understand that all of you know the tables. So if you divide this, you get
30.
13
13.
is the 13 is the 104, right? So directly you get the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, this triangle. Can you see this triangle? How many lines are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of lines are even.
27. 27,
So you
sir.
can find it.
27. 27.
How many lines over here?
27.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
48, sir.
48.
38, sir.
Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
78, sir.
78.
78.
28.
So you can get, now can you see that you can easily get the answer. You know? There's no need to like count or recount and be confused about it. Like, so as I said, like, just type
Yes,
counting of
sir.
figures and see a lot of questions or figures out here. Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
You
should we
might not need to-
rejoin because time
No,
is
no,
over?
no. I think that's that's the end of the class now.
Okay.
All right, guys. So, all right. So you guys need to keep practicing. Okay. Search for the questions online. You'll find a lot of questions that are there. Try to solve it out.
Sir,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you explain again?
I'm having one doubt.
There is only the formula that you have to keep in mind, dear.
Sir,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes,
Sir?
Purnima. Quickly.
I'm having one doubt. For previous question,
Hmm.
wait, sir, I will show.
Okay, Veena ma'am, I think we'll have to rejoin.
Okay, sir.